This is TechCrunch.
Tesla is courting Texas cities to test its promised robotaxi service. I'm Imran Sheikh, and it's now time for your Daily Crunch for Friday, starting with 3 big headlines. Instagram head Adam Mosseri is teasing upcoming generative AI features for the social app that'll allow creators to, get this, change nearly any aspect of their videos using, you guessed it, text prompts. The editing tools will be powered by Meta's Movie Gen AI model and are expected to launch on the social network sometime next year, Mosseri said in a video shared on Thursday. The video previews the AI editing features that Mosseri is teasing, including the ability to change your outfit, alter your background environment, add jewelry, and change your overall appearance. While the previews look clean and seamless, it's unknown if the user-facing editing tools will render the same sort of results once launched. When Meta unveiled Movie Gen back in October, the company said the model allows you to use simple text inputs to create videos and sounds and edit existing videos. Meta said at the time that the AI video generator wouldn't be publicly available. Thursday's announcement reveals that Meta will be leveraging the model to give creators on Instagram more AI editing tools for their videos. Google's released what it's calling a new reasoning AI model, but it's in the experimental stages, and from our brief testing, there's certainly room for improvement. The new model, called Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental, a mouthful to be sure, is available in AI Studio, Google's AI prototyping platform. A model card describes it as best for multimodal understanding, reasoning, and coding, with the ability to reason over the most complex problems in fields such as programming, math, and physics. Built on Google's recently announced Gemini 2.0 Flash model, Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental appears to be similar in design to OpenAI's O1 and other so-called reasoning models. Unlike most AI, reasoning models effectively fact-check themselves, which helps them avoid some of the pitfalls that normally trip up AI models. As a drawback, reasoning models often take longer, usually seconds to minutes longer, to arrive at solutions. Not everyone's convinced that reasoning models are the best path forward, and while they've performed well on benchmarks so far, it's not clear whether reasoning models can maintain this rate of progress. Looks like Tesla is evaluating multiple Texas cities where it wants to test a long-promised robotaxi service, including Austin, according to emails obtained by Bloomberg News. An employee has apparently been in touch with Austin officials since May and recently held an event in December to train first responders on how to best work with Tesla's autonomous vehicle technology, which is still in development. The employee told the city that Austin is obviously on our roadmap, but has not yet been decided where we will deploy first, as we have many options available. Tesla often pits multiple cities and states against each other when it's making decisions on where to do business. It caused the bidding war over the location of its original Gigafactory that reportedly inspired Jeff Bezos to do something similar when locating Amazon's second headquarters. Tesla is not testing any vehicles on public streets, according to the report. That could be because, despite unveiling a so-called cyber cab prototype in October, the company has yet to deliver on CEO Elon Musk's years of promises of making a fully self-driving Tesla, let alone a robotaxi service. Let's now kick it over to producer Dennis with today's startup news in about 1 minute.
Thank you, Imran. And here's a question. What if it were as easy to generate a usable 3D design as prompting ChatGPT? That's the mission of Backflip, a startup founded by 3D printing veterans that's just scored $30 million from a host of other big names in tech. Designing physical objects often requires hours or days of specialized work using computer-aided design software. Backflip wants to turn that into minutes, thanks to the company's new foundational models. And a young startup that emerged from stealth less than 2 months ago with big-name backers and bigger ambitions is returning to the spotlight. Descartes is building what its CEO is calling a fully vertically integrated AI research lab, alongside enterprise and consumer products based on the lab's work. Descartes, based in San Francisco, but with operations in Israel, has raised another $32 million in a Series A round. The funding comes less than 2 months after the company raised a seed round of $21 million. And that'll do it for me. Imran, back to you.
And that's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Aisha Malik, Kyle Wiggers, and more beautiful, lovely TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here tomorrow, same tech time, same Crunch channel. And until then, find us at TechCrunch.com.